Ahambo Wada Blessing Ifunanya Chukuma. Nankazin Kuboche Tata Aiga Mumaka Ahadi Chiche Aina Bo Normani Afomorani Afomolora Abonedi Mukwadobe Kanye Video. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Igbo Tutorials. My name is Blessing Ifunanya Chukuma. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about the different names that we call our mothers in the Igbo language, okay? So yeah, I know you're curious about the song I sang in this video. So it basically said nene. If you heard the keyword ne, which is mother. I don't even know why I'm so excited. So ne is like mother. Nene noma. Mother, my good mother. Ezigbo mamam. Ezigbo is another way to say good, kind. Gosh. Anyway, my good and kind mother. Wam ihengeme. Please tell me what to do. Kam yare nani, so that I will not go astray or I will not miss my way. Okay, iya is like yes, like I'm agreeing to it. So yeah, that's basically the song. So let's go to our lesson. Ne is mother. Ne. Mama, we also call them mama. Mamamo, my mother. Ma, these are all different what we call it, and dialect as well. Ma is still mother. Mam, my mother. Nem, nemarama, my beautiful mother. Okay? So, we call our grandmothers Mama Nuku. Mama Nuku. Nuku is big, okay? The word Nuku alone literally means big. So like she's the big mother, not big as in size wise, but like as in hierarchy wise, okay? So Mama Nuku, Ma Nuku, Nene or Nene, depending on dialect. Nene, like the mother of the mother, okay? Ebe ka Mama Nuku jere. Where did grandmother go to? Okay, it's like common phrase see here. No, welcome mother. Mama Nuku, no, welcome grandmother. Okay, so like these are the words we call our mothers in the Igbo language. Okay, if you have any questions about this topic or what is it they call mother in your own dialect in the Igbo language, if you don't know, ask your mother, ask your parents, ask your friends, okay? But comment in the comment section below what is the name mother called in your language. I think some of you like that song, so let me sing it one more time. Nene noma iya, nene noma, ezigbo mama mogwa mi engeme. Kanyare nani, ezigbo noma mogwa mi engeme. Kanyare nani, iya. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share this video, it can be of help to others as well. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. Till next time, come and send the bang,